Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Welcome everybody. Welcome the heroes of grade 4. Welcome to a new science session. Today, inshallah, we'll continue talking about concept number 2. And we have here lesson 3, which we have studied. We revise it and we will start talking about lesson 4 also. Lesson 4 is talking about the reaction time. But before we start lesson 4, I need to revise quickly. I need you to be focused with me to revise the last lesson quickly. We revise it, the sensation, our sensing of the environment. Okay? Sensing of the environment, we are talking about the sensation of the environment. We use our senses to collect information from the environment. And also the nervous system is working, very good working, because it receives the information from the environment and send it as a nerve impulses to the brain. Through what? Through what? How do messages travel to the brain? Who can tell me on the chat? Write your answer on the chat. The messages move from the sense organs to the brain. Through what? Through what? I'm waiting your answer on the chat. Spinal cord, Omar Abu Arab. Okay. Muaz, what is spinal cord? Nerves. Very good, Omar Abu Arab. Nerves first, then spinal cord. Very good, Omar Abu Arab. So it is the nerves, then it reaches the spinal cord, then it reaches the brain. Very good. If we say nerves and the spinal cord. The correct answer is A, nerves and spinal cord. Adam, very good, Adam. Thank you, my son. So when we receive information from the sense organ like the eye, the ear, the nose, the tongue, and the skin, we send the information to the brain as a nerve impulses, or electrical messages from the sensory organs to the brain. And these messages are very fast. They send to the brain and they move very fast, maybe in a few seconds, maybe in part of a second, not in a whole second, only in a fraction of a second, not in a complete second. These messages reach the brain quickly and the brain interpret and understand the information. So interpret means understand the message. And tell you what to do, tell you what to react, how to react. Okay, so the brain sends another message to the sensory organs on all body parts. Maybe less than 1 second. Yes, very good, Ya Omar, Ya Abba. So the brain sends the suitable reaction or the suitable response. The reaction time is very, very short. For example, very good, Muhammad. Okay, from the organ, spinal cord, then to the brain. Okay, from the organ to the nerves, then to the brain, ya Muhammad. Okay, maybe in shorter than 1 second. Very good. Then we say that the brain interprets the information. Yani interpret, process the information. Yani understand the information. For example, if you touch a thorn or a spine. When you touch a spine, what happens? Femtosecond, not femtosecond, maybe part of second, ya Muhammad. Okay. So when you touch a spine of a cactus plant, now the sense the sense organ is the skin. The sense organ here is the skin. This skin has a nerve endings. Nerve endings in your skin, in your fingers, there is nerve endings. The nerve endings feel this sensation and send the message to the brain through the nerves. Then it reaches the brain, it reaches first the spinal cord and reaches the brain. Here, the brain must send another message. The brain must send another message to react, to move your hand away, to withdraw your hand fast, from the thorn. This is the reaction, or this is the response. This is the response. You withdraw your hand fast. Very good, Ya Muhammad. Very good, Ya Muhammad. Excellent, my son. And this response take only very short time, part of second, not a whole second, only part of second. This is a reflex action. This is a reflex action. And the reaction time is very short. The time between receiving the information and sending the reaction or sending the response. Okay. Also, the animals like the rat or the jerboa can make this. The jerboa can make also a response, a very fast reaction, a very fast response. When the jerboa hear or see a snake, what does the jerboa do? The jerboa jump very fast. The jerboa jump very fast and jump quickly by the help of its legs. It has big legs, big back legs, large legs, and it jump quickly away from the snake. Okay. This is a reaction, very fast reaction. This is a reflex reaction, and the reaction time is very short time. Is it okay? This is the nervous system protect your body. So we say that the nervous system protect the nervous system responsible for keeping the living organism away from danger. The nervous system keep you away from danger and keep also the animals away from danger. Very good, my son. So now, this is the Egyptian jerboa. نوع من المامals, one of the mammals. Jerboa is one of the mammals. Okay, jerboa is from rodents, and rodents are mammals. Also, it is like the rat, it is like the mouse, it is like the rodents. Okay, rodents, they are animals having 2 teeth in the upper jaw and only 2 teeth in the lower jaw. And they are mammals. They give birth. Okay, the jerboa, the Egyptian jerboa, is like a rat, but it has a very long hind limbs or hind legs. The hind legs are very long. Why it is very long? And the strong muscles, have strong muscles in these hind legs. Why? Who can tell me on the chat? I'm waiting your answer on the chat. Why the legs, the back legs is very long and strong. Tall, very tall. Okay, no problem, Mary. No problem. It is tall. Okay. It is large or tall legs. Why? To jump. Very good, Muaz. To jump. Very good, Muaz. Very good, Omar. It is tall legs, long legs. Yeah, to jump high. Very good. Excellent, my son. And also it has big ears. It has big ears. Who can tell me why the Egyptian jerboa have big ears, large ears? These ears are large. Why? To hear very well. Very good, Omar Abu Arab and Muhammad Mustafa. To hear very well, to collect sounds and hear very well. If it hears a snake, it jumps quickly in a zigzag shape. So the Egyptian jerboa has adaptation, many adaptations. The large legs here, or the tall legs, and also the large ears. This is a structural adaptation in the jerboa, which help the jerboa to jump and to hear sounds. Okay, so the jerboa is an amazing animal, lives in the desert, in the Egyptian desert. Okay, so the jerboa has what? The jerboa has long hind legs to help the jerboa jump long distance. And jerboa has feet and toes having hair, where the feet has hair to jump and catch the sand, to help it catch the sand when it is jumping in zigzag path. Okay, so it has hair in the legs and the toes, in the feet and the toes, to jump quickly, catching the sand and run away from the danger. Okay, okay. And also, jerboa has large ears. We said before, because it helps it to collect sound and hear the snake and run away quickly from the snake. Excellent. These all structural adaptation. All of these are structural adaptation in the jerboa. Okay. What happened when the jerboa body work together? Yeah, all systems work together in the jerboa. You can see here The systems are working together to avoid the danger. Please behave yourself on the chat, okay? Omar Abu Arab, please behave yourself on the chat, okay? Behave yourself, Malik, okay? Behave yourself on the chat, please, okay? Focus with me, focus with me. Malik Saad. Why are you writing like this, Malik? Your mic is open.
Hey, Omar Abu Arab say to me, I will let you listen, shitty boy.
Okay, this I will write it in my note, and I will tell Omar Abu Arab why he make like this. Where is Omar Abu Arab? Did you make like this, Omar Abu Arab? Your mic is open, Omar. Did you make something like this?
I'm joking.
Omar Abu Arab, did you say bad words for your friend?
I am not. I am joking.
But don't make like this again, okay?
Okay, didn't know.
Because I write this in my notes, and you will lose some behavior points. Don't joke like this again, okay? It's not a joking. Okay, my son? Okay. Now, let's go back to our lesson. How the nervous system works with the sensory organs. All are working together. On hearing a danger, the sensory receptors in the ears send a message to the brain by the nerve to the brain. So the sensory receptors in the ears send the message to the brain, okay? And the brain translates the information, interprets the information, and respond by alert legs to jump. So here the brain sends another message to react or to respond. So the jerboa jump fast because the order comes from the brain to move the leg, jump with the leg fast. So the jerboa responds and jump very fast away from the danger. These take less than 1 second, and this is the response time or the reaction time. The reaction time, this is our new lesson here, the reaction time. We are talking today about the reaction time. What is meant by the reaction time? We can define the reaction time. It is the time taken by the organism's body to respond to danger and being away from it. To respond to a danger and being away from it. Like what? Like when you touch a thorn or a hot body, you move your hand away quickly. This is the reaction time. Okay? Like the jerboa, when the jerboa see a snake or hear a snake, it moves away, jump away. Muhammad Isha'al, do you have a question?
No.
Okay. Are you listening carefully?
Yes.
Okay, let's continue. So we have to remember the definition of the reaction time. The reaction time, tell me, Muhammad, tell me the definition of the reaction time, please, again.
Time taken by organisms, but time taken by organisms' body to respond to danger and gaining away from it.
Give me an example of a reaction time. Give me an example. We haven't studied in the last lesson. Give me an example. Human reaction and the animal reaction. Give me an example.
Like the Egyptian jerboa.
The Egyptian jerboa jump away quickly when it hear what? When it hear a snake. Yes?
When it hear a snake.
Yeah, jump quickly in zigzag.
A part of second to...
Part of second, very good. Very good, Muhammad. Thank you, Muhammad. Muhammad Isha'al is excellent. Now we have Muaz. Are you ready, Muaz, to answer a question? Let's go again.
Yes.
To another question from Muaz. Focus with me, Muaz. We have some examples of the reaction time. We have some examples of some reactions. When you blink your eyes, when something come nearer to it, if something come nearer to your eyes, like a bird, for example, or something is falling down nearer to your eyes, what happened to your eyes? You blink your eyes. Yeah. Is it quickly
close your eyes
or slow
fast.
reaction? Is it quickly reaction or slow reaction?
Quickly.
Quickly reaction. Does it take many seconds or many minutes or half a minute or a part of a second?
A part of a second.
Very good. So the blinking of the eye take only part of the second that you can blink your eye when something come closer to your eye. It makes you blink, and this is your reaction time. Next, let's move to another example.
Teacher, can I say a question?
Who is angry? Your name is angry. What's your name?
Teacher, it's me, Ahmed Atiyah.
Why you write your name is angry?
Good.
Teacher, I have a question.
But I'm angry because every time you close my camera.
No need for camera because the camera make you not focus. I want you to focus on the lesson. I want you to focus on the lesson, okay? I want you to focus on the lesson. Don't look at the camera and at yourself. You will not be focused. I want you to focus on what we have studied, okay? Ahmed Atiyah, are you ready for the next example?
Yeah.
We pay attention when someone call you. Why?
Because the ears.
Yeah, very good.
To the brain by the spinal cord.
The ear sensory receptors in the ear.
1 minute. Less than 1 second.
Excellent. The sensory receptor in the ear receives a message, receives a sound, and send the message to the brain through what? Through the nerves and through the spinal cord. And also the brain send another message.
Another message
to your body to respond. Very good.
Can understand what he says.
Excellent, Ahmed Atiyah. Thank you, Ahmed Atiyah. You are good behavior and polite student. Who is raising hand now? Muaz is raising hand. Are you ready, Muaz, for another question?
No, teacher, I have a question.
تفضل يا معاذ.
What is the fastest? What is the fast system?
Of course, this is the nervous system is very fast. Of course, the response is very fast by the nervous system.
Okay, it's the fastest system?
Maybe, yeah. Because electric pulse or electric messages are moved in part of a second. Part of a second only, okay? Muhammad Mustafa now is raising a hand. Now your mic is open, Muhammad Mustafa. Are you ready for a question?
Yes.
Look at this picture. The girl is touching a hot body. The girl is touching a hot body. What will happen? What will the girl do?
His hand will
move away
from the hot object.
Very good. So can you tell me what happened in the nervous system?
Okay, the brain send the message to
wait. Which send the message first? The brain or the finger, the skin?
The nervous.
The finger, you have in your fingers or in your skin, you have sensory receptors. Okay, they send the message to the brain first, and then the brain send another message to your hand to move away. Is it okay?
Move away.
Tell me again, what will happen?
The nervous will go to the brain, and the brain will send the message to the nervous to move the hand away.
Okay. So the first message is sent from the hand, sensory receptors in the hand, to the nerve, then to the spinal cord, then to the brain. Okay, the message is sent first from the skin. Okay, from the sensory receptors in the skin. Then It moves, the message moves through the nerves and the spinal cord to the brain, and then the brain sends another message to your hand to move away quickly. Is it okay? There is two messages, one from the skin to the brain and one from the brain to the hand. Is it okay?
Okay.
Excellent, my son. Thank you. Who is raising a hand? Adam, are you raising a hand? Adam, are you raising a hand? Now, Adam, your mic is open.
Teacher, I don't raising my hand. I want to answer only.
Okay, if you want to answer, raise your hand. Now, are you ready?
Yes.
Now, we are talking about the response by the nervous system from the any stimuli, any different stimuli. Okay?
Okay.
So, the sensory receptors in the sensory receptors in the sense organs send signals or messages, electric or chemical message or electric message. Is it a chemical message or electric message or something else?
Electric message.
Very good, my son. The sense organ send a signal. This signal is electric message. This signal is what? Electric message. Excellent, my son. Electric message, okay? Electric message, this is so fast. Why it is so fast? Why this electric message is so fast?
Because
it takes only part of a second. Why? Because it is electric. It is electric message. So it is very fast. The electric is very fast. Did you see the thunder and the lightning? Did you see the lighting in the sky? So it is very fast. Why it is very fast? Because it is light. It is electric, like the electric. So it is very fast. It takes only part of seconds. Okay? It takes only part of seconds. So the sense organs send a signal to the brain through the nerves. Is it okay? This is the first message. This is the first message. This is message number message number 1. Can you tell me about message number 2? What is the message number 2? Come from where? Message number 2 come from where? From the brain. Write on the chat if you want to answer. Okay, Sohaib. Now Sohaib is answering. Sohaib, raise your hand, Sohaib. Sohaib, what is the second message, ya Sohaib?
The second message, the brain
send. Very good, Ahmad Mustafa. Very good, Ahmad Mustafa. Send the message come from the brain. Now the second message come from the brain. The brain send the message to respond, to avoid the danger, to move your hand away or to move body away. This is the second message sent by the brain. Is it good? Very good. Thank you, my son. Seeing or hearing a danger. Seeing or hearing a danger. Okay. There is difference between seeing and hearing. Why? The sense organs, eye and ear, send signals to the brain through nerves. The signals, both signals are very fast. They are electric messages, okay? But the brain translates the signal of the eye faster than the ear. The brain translates the message of the eye faster than the ear. So the message, both messages are very fast. Both messages are very fast, but the brain responds faster to the eye message faster than the ear message. So if you saw something danger, you move away faster than if you hear something danger. Okay, so you respond faster for the vision. You respond faster for the vision. Faster than the ear or the hearing. Okay, okay, my son. But the messages move by the same speed. They are both very fast messages. Okay. Okay. Sohaib, let's go to answer. Yeah. So are you ready, Sohaib, to have a question? I have a question for you, Sohaib. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Which is faster now? Blinking your eye or moving your body when somebody call you? Which is faster? Blinking your eye when something comes nearer to your eye is faster, or you pay attention for somebody when he call you? Which is faster?
Your blink.
Very good. Faster, very good. Blinking is faster. Because?
And slower.
Blinking is faster than hearing. Okay? The paying attention after hearing takes lower time because the brain responds faster to the eye faster than the ear. Is it okay, my son?
Yeah.
Okay. But the two messages are very fast. They transmit by electric message, and they have the same direction from the sense organ to the brain, and they move very fast. Both of them is very fast. Now I will send you the homework as a worksheet on Classera, inshallah, and we'll finish the session now. Thank you, everybody. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.